Welcome to the insides of the Foundation OD workshop. OD is often given mysterious colors and is considered esoteric, but that's not true. Through this video, I'd like to bring to you some of the simple processes that can trigger off significant new action by the same people in the same organization with everything remaining the same. We have a 3.5 day kind of 4 days workshop. Typically these are leadership teams, or sometimes when it cascades down to teams at other levels as well. Usually a team of peers, interdependent and in some way structurally visible as a team. The workshop begins with setting a target for itself. Then the group is taken through an exercise of reality assessment of the back home situation. After that, it relies entirely on here and now data. Here and now data is generated through exercises by which the group diagnoses and surfaces all the critical processes that characterize it. Subsequently, participants are helped to review their own working styles, their own orientations towards one another, and plenty of feedback floats around between people, from us to the team, and all of this is then put together for the group to recalibrate its own expectations from each other, its own role and function, and design new action which would create a change in its own working and as a result on the organization.
For those of you who have never attended this kind of a workshop, this is a different kind of a workshop. We normally do not debrief on what is this about, because these are experiential workshops and you have to experience it. This kind of a workshop will give an opportunity for us to look at ourselves, to look at others, to understand the expectations of others from us, and to also have an opportunity to talk about our expectations from others. So in many ways it's an opportunity that you will get to state things which you normally would not be able to, and also you will get to know or get feedback about things normally people do not talk about. In these kind of process workshops, as much as you put in, you will get that much back. If you don't put in, you're not going to be able to get the advantage of it.
This workshop, or our kind of work, is essentially intended to create an opportunity for us as human beings to come and share our experience and learn from that. As soon as people come and start working together, they become dependent on each other. Then, when there is a need for collaboration, want to cooperate and support each other, conflicts also start. These programs are an opportunity to settle those differences, whatever misunderstandings, maybe clear those, and once more reset what are the expectations as we go forward. We also believe that it is easy to tell other people what's wrong with them, but it's also equally important to take a look at what I'm bringing to the table. In what way am I creating the problem as well? In this workshop, it is possible for you to look at that without punishment or fear. Okay? So that's the nature of these workshops. This is not a one-time antibiotic. This is not a nicer shirt than the shirt you were wearing till yesterday. This is a time and place for you to do a thing
round of thinking in order to figure out how to go about your own life better than yesterday. Task is your expectations and apprehensions regarding this workshop. Whenever you make expectations, as human beings, we also know that we have apprehensions as well. ये कह तो रहे हैं कि रिपोर्ट नहीं देते, तो पता नहीं शायद देते होंगे.
अच्छी दे दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
हाँ?
अच्छी दे दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
तो वो से गारंटी थोड़ी है कोई. So 5 to 8 expectations and 1, 2, 3 whatever number of apprehensions. 5 minutes for your individual working and 20 minutes in your group. 5 minutes for chart preparation. So in half an hour's time we want the chart papers available. Last one, disclosure of discussions on the workshop. What has been the past experience?
As I remember, sir, when we came back from Pushkar, हम अभी वापस पहुँचे नहीं थे. People were talking about everything which happened there.
Somebody in the group सोचा ये बोलने में कोई हर्जा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा बोल दो, ये थोड़ा सा बोल दो, इसको बोलो या उसको बोलो, and then it will spread out.
उसमें वहाँ पर भी आपके जैसे एक्सपर्ट बैठे हुए गूगल वाले थे.
उधर बोले तो
आप एक्सपर्ट है ना, वैसे साइड में भी एक्सपर्ट हो. The expectations exercise is built on everybody's contribution. So everybody in the workshop develops this sense that he is party to setting the workshop's goals. This is extremely important. It's extremely important because the biggest danger in any such intervention is people's mistaking it for a training program. If that is so, then recipienthood creeps in and voluntary material which needs to come into the workshop for its effectiveness gets filtered out. So through this exercise we reduce the dangers of this recipienthood and enhance the sense that there is a voice that each individual has in the workshop. So the ownership of the workshop is more evenly shared between the top management, the sponsors of the workshop, the consultant and the participants. The participants must have a significant voice.
our next exercise is for you to articulate or speak up your experience of working in this organization. So you make again 5 to 8 bullet points and then we'd like you to set up 2 groups.
Lack of infrastructure. This is known to everyone. We are located at such a location. The school is far away. Medical facilities. Many people are self-centered. Where we are in a location, in a community we are staying, we should take care of others also. We should be careful about others also. And we should create a better atmosphere for living.
Yeah, so in some sense I would then have a tentative conclusion that this team doesn't yet feel like a team. So that's one question which I'm deriving from this.
This is the first substantive part of the workshop. Everybody is given an option, given the space to give his views on how he sees the organization, how he experiences it, and often can be very cathartic for many people. A public collectivization of this information, this knowledge, this emotion becomes a very significant foundation for the action plan that's going to happen at the end of the workshop. This is the first and the last piece of data generation based on the reality of the organization there and then. After this, everything will go into the here and now.
Our invitation to you is to take on a group task in which we would like you to break up into 2 groups. One group will engage with a given task and the other group will observe. Form a circle Yes. Ask.
किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए आइडियल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स।
सर पहली चीज़ तो ये है कि उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर जो है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स एवं टीम मेंबर्स शुड बी वेरी लेस।
A chance to grow. There should not be resentment.
पॉजिटिव अप्रोच हो सकती है सर, इसको बोल सकते हैं हम कि पॉजिटिव अप्रोच के साथ में सबको लिया जाए।
दूसरा ये है कि आइडिया जो हम लेते हैं वो आइडिया हमारे ही थोप रहे हैं और उसको यस कर दिया तो उसमें हमारा जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो बेंचमार्किंग है वो सिस्टम गड़बड़ाता है।
मतलब वर्किंग ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए।
यस।
ठीक है, एक ये भी है कि ट्रांसपेरेंसी किस चीज़ में होनी चाहिए, मतलब प्रमोशन पॉलिसीज और ये सब पॉलिसी इसी में।
जी जी।
I'd like to first invite observations from the observers.
सर ये इसमें जो इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया कंडोलेंस से।
Condolence.
यस,
मतलब
शुरू में 3 मिनट तक पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस था। उसके बाद वर्मा जी बोले, उन्होंने सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताया कि ये सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर अपने को काम करना है। फिर इसके बाद कनौजिया जी ने चार्ज लिया, ये बोले कि मिनिमम फिंगरिंग होना चाहिए, बॉटम से कम्युनिकेशन होना चाहिए, टारगेट रियलिस्टिक होने चाहिए।
I feel that you are operating from one paradigm possibly is कि कहीं fail ना हो जाओ मैं, and that was the paradigm that I saw you operating. I also saw you operating from one place where saying मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं होगा फिर भी करूँगा. So that is how I saw you operating in the group. Yeah. With Vijay, I found you getting into supporting mode very quickly with the Verma. So moment Verma started talking something, you quickly supported him. Okay, and at the cost of your contribution at times. You are saying something, he is not saying the same thing, he is saying something different. But to let it go and then say, yeah, fine, let's go ahead with you. So I found you quite quietly and quickly becoming supporter of a kind. Yeah.
A warm-up exercise. First, a gentle entry into the universe of giving and receiving feedback. Everybody gives feedback, everybody participates, and we get to observe and see each individual's behavior patterns as well as the group's character and behavior pattern. The exercise also helps establish the difference between content and process, which is going to become progressively more important as the workshop progresses. The focus will shift to process almost entirely from the subsequent exercise onwards.
let's begin. We'll continue with our flow, and in this exercise, first exercise that we'll do, we'll need you to get up and walk around quite a bit. Stop. Choose the persons nearest to you to form a small group of 4. In this group, share 2 things you like about yourself and 2 things you dislike about yourself.
एक लाइकिंग है, एक डिसलाइकिंग।
मेरा दैट्स माय एसेट और मैं उस पर प्राउड करता हूँ। ये तो मेरी अच्छी है।
ये बुराई मेरे में।
Those of you who are familiar, this is the microlabs. People keep altering groups and sharing with whoever's at hand. The small groups are forming at random, so people are not choosing people, and they are being asked to share aspects of their lives and their feelings and emotions which ordinarily they may not at the workplace. 3-4 things it does. It disturbs the existing sociology. It helps broadband the communication between people. It improves the level of listening and candidness, helps in the subsequent exercises, and there is a direct takeaway for the workplace as well. We are now entering the most critical phase of this workshop. In this, we will do an organization simulation. The group gets exactly half an hour to engage in a very specific task, and they have all the roles that are role categories, so to say. There is a manager, there are supervisors, and there are workers. The workers work blindfolded, which means they don't have a vision, they only have the action. They construct 5 towers each. We, as we observe, get to see the leadership patterns, the superior-subordinate relationships, issues of ethics, discipline, individualized idiosyncratic behaviors. So in a sense, this becomes a microscope onto the whole organization and provides very rich and varied data to look at each person's working styles.
We are going to appoint the manager, and Manoj Jha will be the manager. Okay, that's one part of the job.
And supervisors?
Manoj is now being invited to make a job offer to 3 supervisors.
Mr. Babbar, AC Sharma and Sir Bakshi. पहला 5 से शुरू करते हैं.
But then this, once they make a top ball, then
Sir, 5 से नहीं, the first round is over.
No, he can do much more. Sir, ये 7 के ऊपर चला गया. तो he can do 7.
नीचे करना जिसका 10 ठीक है.
10 ठीक है.
नहीं 10 ट्रांसफरेबल हो रहा है.
10 से 8 is okay. 10 we have tried.
देख के करना अलग चीज है.
No,
हमने इसमें किया था. आप वर्कर को अपना से आइडिया दे दो.
तो 8
स्टार्ट विद 8 10 हो जाएगा. नहीं सर 8.
Okay, now we'll start the first round. Target is 8 for each team member.
अपनी लेफ्ट में घुमाओ.
अगर ये आया तो बोलना.
आप पैकेज
One package. राजीव आपका भी 10 है. 10 है जी. राजेंद्र 10. Yeah. Okay. अजय आपका भी 10 ले रहे हो. Yeah. This is the range. ओझा is at 8.
ऊपर के 3 उठा लीजिए. नीचे के आप 2 हैं, इनको ठीक करो.
लास्ट टाइम आपने लगा दिया है. गौतम ओवर. ओझा ओवर. ड्रॉप कीजिए नीचे.
I'm going to promote all.
बस.
We stay at 10.
We stay at 10.
Okay.
ओझा साहब stay at 8.
ओझा साहब stay at
break it.
नहीं अभी रहने दो. ओझा साहब अभी स्टेबिलिटी नहीं आ रही.
लीन हो रहा है.
थोड़ा सा लीन कर रहे हैं जी.
ऊपर साइड डालो.
लेफ्ट हाई
स्टेबल हो रहा है.
ऊपर लेके जाओ. नीचे धीरे बस इसको स्टेबल कर दीजिए. आपका हो गया. रंजीव ओवर. अभी प्रमोशन हो गया.
1 by 1 Rajiv.
रंजीव जी फर्स्ट क्लास काम किया.
No deviation from the process.
थैंक्स. गौतम साहब फर्स्ट क्लास.
बहुत अनस्टेबल है. फिर से
एक मिनट रख दे. अरे दूर
तोड़ दे इसको. हाँ तोड़ दीजिए.
नहीं रखते. थोड़ा इसको कर लो अपनी तरफ. थोड़ा अपनी तरफ करो.
राजीव का I would call as uncontrolled. One fell down.
Accepted.
गुड. गौतम साहब.
So 3 rounds are over.
अब प्रमोशन करनी है
We
सर.
change 3 people.
प्रमोशन करो सर.
Okay. ओझा राजीव.
रो उठा लीजिए.
सर ये हाथ यूज करना है.
ओके.
डिफॉल्ट पीछे लेके जाइए हाथ पे. ये हाथ पीछे लेके जाइए.
नहीं बहुत अच्छे. अभी अनस्टेबल हो रहा है.
छोड़ इसको छोड़ दो.
नीचे वाला सबसे नीचे वाला.
चलो.
तो आपको कोई बात नहीं. हाँ. नहीं ये इनका हो चुका है. इनका हो चुका है. ये फॉलो चुका है. पहले फॉलो चुका है.
फिर नहीं करना था ना अभी.
दिस राउंड इज ओवर. डिसमेंटल.
बोलना नहीं है सर जी.
डिसमेंटल.
ओके.
डिसमेंटल. हां बिल्कुल ठीक.
स्टार्ट. यस स्टार्ट सर स्टार्ट.
बाबा जी को ठीक करेगी.
कर रहा हूं.
तो गिरेगा.
1 मिनट.
ये उसको
जनरल ओवर. हाँ
उधर नीचे
छोड़ दीजिए. हाँ मिस्टर शर्मा ओवर. शर्मा जी का हो गया सर.
Rajiv. हाँ.
ऑल द 3 आर ओवर.
चलो
ऊपर से. हाँ ठीक है छोड़ दीजिए.
हाँ ओके चलो अभी ठीक है. अब आगे चलो. यस कोई बात नहीं नहीं दे रहा बस ठीक है छोड़ दीजिए शैनी अब लास्ट हुआ बहुत धीरे से हां जी वाला बैठा ये यार काम मिलना चाहिए अभी तो तनख्वाह मांग रहा है वोटी आराम से इंक्रीज मांग रहा है काम ही नहीं लग गया clapping okay great so can we remove our blindfold group
all done okay we can remove the blind
thank you
Did you feel surprised or dismayed, sad that you were not selected as a supervisor?
No. And second thing, I could do my first run well. Then I asked for increasing the numbers. Being a safe game, it was advised by my supervisor, okay, let's limit it with 10s. So I repeated the 10. Meanwhile, I find that my colleague, Mr. Rajiv Sharma, he has dropped something. So then there was an issue of promotion. So I requested that you promote him, because as a group, we should not fail. This was the feeling behind it.
So there was a lot of noise around in the system. From your side, it was very cool and calm. जो मुझे करना है मैं करके चला जाऊँगा. Almost, no one would knew that you had performed and gone out. It was kind of a matter of fact joining. करना है कर लेते हैं उसमें क्या. My hypothesis is the way it went for you. Okay. You're putting a brave face, saying even if someone wants to reject me, I will not allow him to reject me. So your intentions of giving advice, providing support, do not actually fructify. They remain in the mind, and the actions are, let me do what I can do, and put up a brave face. Possibly, I think I know one word called gutan. So there's some gutan happening inside, but you don't give a vent to it at all. You show that you want to connect, but don't know how to. So your connection with the context is only through saying, if you accept my advice, then I'm okay, otherwise I don't know how to engage with you. So I think that was the way the membership, of your membership came through.
When the exercise begins, people believe it's such a simple thing, just towers that we build, what's the big deal? Yeah, matchbox piling up, matchbox game. But as we observe the performance, it clearly shows us what I said right at the beginning, organization in action. And as we know, actions speak 1,000 words. So through this half an hour observation, we can see the managerial processes and the leadership processes in this organization, how teams work, if at all as teams. It gives us a very clear indication of what are the aspects in which this organization is effective and where are the lacunae lying around. Clearly shows us discipline, coordination, ethics. In fact, we've had some hair-raising experiences. We found somebody in one particular exercise, the feedback to him was that, hey, while you don't break rules, you do bend the rules without getting caught. Watch out. One day, somebody will turn around and say you are unethical. We discovered next week this guy had to be sacked because he had been caught engaging in unethical practices. So, it also tells us the levels of, the exercise tells us the levels of ambitiousness in this group, risk-taking, the blocks to their ambitiousness, and perhaps most importantly, it also gives us each person's individual orientations towards work itself. This then, all of these dimensions which I talked of, all the 5 dimensions, are then discussed openly with the group, and the group itself engages with this and starts looking for ways. What are the ways out? What do we need to do as groups? As a group, what do I need to do? Each individual asks, what do I need to do as an individual to enhance my effectiveness and my satisfaction at work? In one exercise we did with a client in Hyderabad, the tower building was done in the afternoon, closed in the evening. And next morning, there were people looking very disturbed. So we asked them what happened. And looking all very tense and, sir, we didn't sleep a wink last night. So what happened? the kind of questions that you raised for us are so important, but we have no idea how to make a change. So I said, what was the kind of problem? So you asked me, for instance, what do I do with my anger? I know what I do with my anger, but I know how do I make a change there? Having got to that kind of a point, and it's not a personal growth lab, mind you, we need to provide an infrastructure for people to make an alteration in what they've discovered. So, we do the 5OB, most of you are familiar with it, and here's a small vignette of how we do it.
Here's a person who is willing to create space for others, express influence, so he creates space for others. But when others invite him, there's a hesitation, very choosy as to with whom I will relate and how much I will relate. What happens in this is that people would end up saying, others, he is not easily accessible. What is the underlying interpretation? Underlying interpretation is that I shouldn't get rejected. Rejection से बहुत डर है. This combination 7-1 adding up to 8, here's a person who has a preference for the task world. मैं करके दिखाऊंगा जी. Let my action speak. Basic definition of the self is I'm a man of action. In that action thing, what is the interpretation? Interpretation says, here's a guy who has a preference for taking on more responsibility than is wise. So as a result, what happens is that you end up getting overloaded.
That was the 5OB in action. Each individual goes through it, at least half an hour per person. We believe in this individual attention for a very simple reason. The proposal for organizational change must also have in it embedded an opportunity for individual change for the better. This increases the credibility and the overall energy levels available for the change exercise. The group and organization Manthan has happened, which has thrown up all the processes and difficulties, shortcomings, etc. The 5OB has brought in also now individual Manthan. Each individual knows now what is the new thing that he needs to do. He may not know it very clearly, rationally in words, but certainly within himself, intuitively, he has an idea of what it is that's going to likely to change his life for the better. We take the group through a meditative process to access their intuitive self, the right brain, if you want to say it in that language, to create a resolve, a sankalpa, which is likely to change your life for the better. That's the next exercise. I will give you instructions, and your job will be to just listen. We will begin by bringing your attention to your whole body. You have done 3 days of Manthan, and the time has now come to make a sankalpa for yourself. Make a sankalpa which is likely to change your life for the better. Repeat this sankalpa to yourself 3 times with full feeling. The workshop till now has been going in. It has been entering into the field to do the Manthan. The Manthan, the diagnostic, the finding, searching, exploration in a sense are now coming to a close, and the workshop will now start moving into the application area. At this stage, the workshop will move towards we will first do individual feedback exercise. In this, each individual gets to know how the other individuals see him. We don't intervene, we don't process, we just invite and sharing.
We have given you our feedback, both through Tower Building and through the Fairobi. We want you to now give feedback to each other. Assets and liabilities. What you see are two assets that the person has, and what do you think are two liabilities which he has. So हर आदमी बाकी 10 जनों के लिए ये लिखे.
Yes, assets are a leadership and social life. Liability is to develop a team, and number 2 is consistency in achievements.
Assets में liaising with the government officers, means government officers के साथ liaising बहुत अच्छी रहेगी. And second है well job knowledge. And liabilities में जो weakness, liability को मैंने weakness के तौर पे लिया है, वो softness रहेगी.
नहीं भाई आप बैठिए.
After this individual feedback is over, we invite the group to get into perhaps what is the most critical outcome or take-out value from the workshop, and that is getting to know and negotiating expectations across critical interfaces. In this particular group which we have filmed and brought to you, there were 3 subgroups that we formed. This is a sugar unit, and you have the operations guys on the one hand and the support function guys. So we got them to generate their expectations in these small groups and negotiate those expectations along with the head of the unit, who also brought in his expectations. So expectations are then being aligned in this exercise which you will now see.
So all the services guys, all the operational guys, and the GM. So 3 subgroups can be formed. What are the expectations that people have in your roles? So which do you think will work better, individually or in group?
ग्रुप में कर लेंगे.
तो मेरा ख्याल से पहला जो वो होना चाहिए, हाउ टू ब्रिंग द फार्मर्स क्लोजर टू द फैक्ट्री.
It is covered under the cane development.
हाँ अभी आ रहा है. But client needs proper repair and maintenance from next year.
Yes. Aging effect.
Aging effect. So repair and maintenance in all the aspects. Then comes your water management जिसकी अभी बात कर रहे थे. Zero discharge should be implemented. Then creating infrastructure inside the factory. Whatsoever infrastructure you don't have. अब इसमें points इसका वो
कुछ सब 5 ही निकल के आई है.
इसमें सर जो आपके ऊपर के 2-3 पॉइंट हैं, फार्मर्स वाला और ये सीड वाला कौन सा था
सर? ये एक तो
केन डेवलपमेंट में कवर होगा.
हाँ, लेकिन ये सर बहुत ज़्यादा जो हम
अच्छा तो इसको ऐसा कर सकते हैं.
This is the closing activity, so to say, almost penultimate activity, in which the entire group, every individual and all subgroups work to create an action plan going into the future. Some of the actions they plan have long-term implications, some medium-term, some short-term. These actions may have something to do with the operations, may have something to do with the structures, may have something to do with the systems, may have something to do with the processes. Completely open-ended, chosen by the group, peer evaluated and agreed upon action plan.
केन डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटी में शामिल कर लीजिए.
उसका पार्ट हो जाएगा.
एजुकेशन, ट्रेनिंग एंड रिलेशनशिप.
हाउ टू ब्रिंग फार्मर क्लोजर टू द फैक्ट्री. दीज आर द एक्शंस, है ना.
केन डेवलपमेंट एक पार्ट हो गया. इसके
केन डेवलपमेंट मेन पॉइंट हो गया.
हाँ जी. एक पॉइंट हो गया
प्रॉपर साइकिल चलना चाहिए।
नहीं, ये बात तो यही हो रही है कि आज की डेट में फार्मर्स, ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे फैक्ट्री में नहीं था।
Now starts the final closing exercise of the entire workshop. In this we invite the sponsor, the CEO, the corporate HR head. The entire group gives a feedback of its own individual. Each individual gives his own feedback about the workshop. We as consultants give a feedback on the group and the organization. This is then discussed with the sponsor, the CEO. And finally, the action plan which the group had made is presented and discussed with the CEO for whatever decisions that need to be taken right there and then.
Our experience of the group is a good range of talent and understanding, yet a strange holding back of ideas and views. I'll now focus on the tower building exercise and take off from that. Planning and getting into a detailed visualizing of what the work is going to be like did not happen. Yeah? So action happened, and then all kinds of crises occurred.
There was also quite energy moving, so people are doing something kind of stuff. However, it was a false sense of urgency. The communication between collegiate level, that is supervisors, was completely missing.
That the management team never became a team. There was virtually no communication between the three sections that got created.
Upward communication was ignored. So anytime a worker had a suggestion, that was only heard but ignored or not listened to. In terms of goal setting, it was primarily based on what supervisor wanted workers to do.
Workers, like I said, there are lots of ideas, but so obviously workers felt underutilized, unheard. What's the point of saying it? Under-rewarded, all kinds of subsequent problems, which in organizations, as we know, over a period of time start creating toxins.
You need to just get in touch with this, that while all of us understand the anxiety when we are put through something, we don't sit back and think that, do I do the same thing to my subordinates? Or actually we impact maximum on our children, what he told you, and on our subordinates. हम भूल जाते हैं कि हम हमारे दायरे में हम हैं मैनेजमेंट. So if you can just look at this experience of yours from what you do to others and see what you can do to improve your own, whatever you learnt in this. That is where the learning will come from.
The workshop comes to a close. The client must take up the movement. The consultant must exit. Part of the aim of OD is to disturb the old location non-violently and help a new location to emerge with a high level of consensus and voluntariness by the members of the group. This is taken care of by the action plan and the champions that are associated with the action plan. And this is only an intervention. This is only an intervention. This is not the only intervention. There are of course many other interventions that may be called for depending upon the client needs and the organization's character. But this is one of the key interventions that we use. Our aim in this video was to share with you the insights and the workings of this intervention, to share with you the simplicity of the design and to demystify the OT process or demystify this intervention. Thanks.
In any new organization or in any new team, they have got their own teething problem, let's say. Mistrust is one. Communication is another. Hidden agendas is another. Target settings are also not tuned. So after this workshop, people have been able to express their needs, what they expect from others, and also what they are willing to give, willing to share.
For the organization to get best is that we have to work systematically, and the system which is required, in that we have found the weaknesses which we have to improve.
And now as far as the organization level is concerned, definitely when personal level is improved, the organizations will definitely improve. And after that we have decided to sit together to get the more benefits from this workshop and keep it sustained to achieve some targets till that time. And overall we all are very much happy, and great learning for us, for all of them.